Hi everybody, this series is to learn you how to name and draw an organic compound. I will walk you step by step through the naming and the drawing process. It's very important while watching any video of the series to have your notebook and pen handy so you can practice with me. The secret behind being confident in naming and drawing organic compounds is to practice. I would like to refresh your knowledge about the organic compounds. In general, organic chemistry explores molecules built around the carbon. So the basic block of these compounds is carbon. The carbon is tetravalent. It forms 4 bonds. When you have any organic compound, make sure that every carbon has its 4 bonds. If the carbon has a double bond, every double bond counts as 2 bonds, and every triple bond counts as 3 bonds. So if you have a compound with carbon atoms and the carbon atom has double bond, it means it makes 2 more bonds. If the carbon atom is bound to the other atom with 3 bonds, it means that this carbon still need 1 more bond. Remember, carbon is tetravalent. It should have 4 bonds. Organic compounds are called hydrocarbons. From its name, hydro from hydrogen, carbon, which means these compounds are formed mainly from carbons and hydrogens. These hydrocarbons can be classified into aliphatics or aromatics. The aliphatic hydrocarbons can be cyclic or cyclic. From their name, cyclic aliphatic compounds are open compounds. They don't form ring, while cyclic hydrocarbon form a closed ring. And while naming those compounds, for the cyclic aliphatic compound, we add the prefix cyclo before the name. Aromatics, they are cyclic compounds, and the basic compound is benzene. We can classify the aliphatic hydrocarbon in another way, depending on the type of bonds. Aliphatics can be classified into saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons with all bonds are single bonds, while unsaturated hydrocarbons have either a double bond or a triple bond. That's why they are not saturated. They are unsaturated. The word saturated and unsaturated refers to whether the carbon is saturated with hydrogen or not. Saturated means full of hydrogen, have its maximum capacity of hydrogen atoms attached to it, while unsaturated means they are not full of hydrogen, so they can accept more hydrogen, so they are not full of hydrogen. The saturated hydrocarbons are called alkanes, while the unsaturated, if they have double bond, they are called alkanes. If they have triple bond, they are called alkynes. This is a basic comparison between the 3 types of hydrocarbon, of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Alkane will have a suffix of -ene. Alkene will have a suffix of -ene. Alkyne will have a suffix of -ene. For example, C2H6 is ethane. 2 carbon atom, this is alkane. The formula is CN2N plus 2. N here equals 2. So 2N, 2 times 2 plus 2 equals 6. So the ethane has 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. And it has single bonds, no double bonds. For alkene, if we have 2 carbon atoms, the number of hydrogen atoms is double the number of carbon atoms. If it is C2, it will have 4 hydrogen atoms. And this is ethene. We add the suffix -ene. Ethane, 2 carbon atoms bounded with triple bonds, and the formula is CnH2n negative 2, which is C2H2, and the suffix -yen. That's all for today, guys. Next video, we'll learn how to name alkanes.